Universopedia. It's our planet by Jagrat Sharma. Deep knowledge of Earth. Our home planet. Our home planet is the third planet from the Sun and the only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things. While Earth is only the fifth largest planet in the solar system, it is the only world in the solar system with liquid water on the surface, just slightly larger than nearby Venus. Earth is the biggest of the four planets closest to the Sun. How its name came? The name Earth is at least 1000 years old. All of the planets except for Earth were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. However, the name Earth is a Germanic word which simply means the ground. This is the Earth sign, and the second one is the Mercury sign, which is named by a Greek god. Quick facts about Earth. Each day starts at the morning and ends in the night. So a day consists of 23.9 hours, a year consists of 365.25 days, radius of Earth is 3959 miles. Its planet type is terrestrial and it has moons it has one moon. So, size and distance. With a radius of 3959 miles, Earth is the biggest of the terrestrial planets and the fifth planet all over. From an average distance of 93 million miles, Earth is exactly one astronomical unit away from the Sun, because one astronomical unit, abbreviated as AU, is the distance from the Sun to Earth. This unit provides an easy way to quickly compare planets' distances from the Sun. It takes about 8 minutes for light from the Sun to reach our planet. Mostly knowledge about the Earth, and that is its orbit and rotation. As Earth orbits the Sun, it completes one rotation every 23.9 hours. It takes 365.25 days to complete one trip around the Sun. That extra quarter of a day represents a challenge to a calendar system, which counts 1 year as 365 days. Due to the sake of convenience, to keep our yearly calendars consist with our orbit around the Sun, every 4 years we add 1 day. That day is called a leap day, and the year it's added to is called a leap year. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted 23.4 degrees with respect to the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. This tilt causes a yearly cycle of seasons. During part of the year, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun and the southern hemisphere is tilted away. With the Sun higher in the sky, solar heating is greater in the north, producing summer there. Less direct solar heating produces winter in the south. 6 months later, the situation is reversed. When spring and fall begin, both hemispheres receive roughly equal amounts of heat from the Sun. The structure of the Earth. Earth is composed of 4 main layers, starting with an inner core at the planet's center, enveloped by the outer core, mantle and crust. The inner core is a solid sphere made of iron and nickel metals, about 759 miles in radius. There the temperature is high as 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Surrounding the inner core is the outer core. This layer is about 1400 miles thick, made of iron and nickel fluids. In between the outer core and crust in the mantle, the thickest layer, this hot viscous mixture of molten rock is about 1800 miles thick and has the consistency of caramel. The outermost layer, Earth's crust goes about 19 miles deep and average on length. At the bottom of the ocean, the crust is thinner and extends about 3 miles from the sea floor to the top of the mantle. Thank you for today. So, I am leaving you with a question which you have to answer in the comment box, like every time. So, the question I have for you now is, what is the nearest galaxy? What is the name of the nearest galaxy from the Milky Way? So, must write the answer in the comment box if you know. So, bye for today.